وقت نلعب كيف كانت فيها لسه شانس تا شيء باش ندخل نقرا لايف طلبزة ان شاء الله استنى كيف انا رايت Summer of 58 اللي باش نلعبو هنا الاشتراك اللي باش نلعبو actually مش عارف اقفلها فوق اوكي خلاص راجعين نسويها هسه مالا اليوم هنلعب Summer of 58 Summer of 58 اللعبة اللي أنا نقرا في الويش ليست تاعي اللي اشتريتها وكل اوبس تمك Summer of 58 interessanti ħafna
I missed you, bro.
سيعتنا زيهوي اوكي نظام سيعتك اوبشن بالمالتي احيار شنو هاي ممكن توخشن settings li n-nużadda għed nissetja xi settings.
Let's go!
Sometimes people make up things that aren't there. It seems to them that some entity controls their mind and their life. They do terrible things that can drive you crazy. I don't believe in paranormal phenomena. I believe that the troubles that people commit are their own fault or those who brought them to this. And in order for you to believe your eyes and not fictions, I made revealing videos about paranormal phenomena in 2 houses in which, according to people's stories, madness was happening. My name is Alex Morton and we're getting started. Mux jena da waħda. Interessanti. Għajsajjer, ħabib. Għajsajjer. I searched all the corners, but I didn't find any evidence confirming paranormal activity in these houses. I'm going to an abandoned pioneer camp in Russia, at the request of my subscribers, to find out if the rumors that the locals have been talking about for so many years are true. They said that there are ghosts of dead people in this place. At the hands of one of the residents, he himself was never found. The bodies of those people were also not found. Local residents avoid this place, and those who are touched by this tragedy do not allow to open the doors of this building in memory of the dead and missing. I came to Russia to investigate what happened, to find out if the rumors are true, and to find evidence of this. In keeping with my tradition, I closed the doors of the building behind me, so that there is no temptation to leave it, and I'm staying here for a few nights. Recording a report. I have a video camera, a sleeping bag, a backpack with things and food with me. Tajjeb, sakkar il-bib, biex zgun ma joħroġ. Okay. Need to explore this camp. Settings. Il-mouse mux jgħad sewa. Tony chance. Spiss. Sa fl-axħar logħba fejn jaqlhom il-blanks. Mhux noqgħod nħarsu lehom. Jew rridu noqogħdu nfittxu xi biċċodda. Xi bandlew ta' tfal. Nisma' ħafna ħsejjes ġol headphones. I can't read what it says. I need to get my Russian English dictionary. U fejn ħansibuh? Okay. An investigation is underway on the disappearance of children and employees of the Yunost Pioneer Camp, which was opened in 1955 under the leadership of Director Maria Anatolievna A. The suspect in this case is a child living in this camp. The name is Yakov. Evidence of the victims was found in his locker. What happened to him and where he is now is not known. There is something. Dewx bil-ħsejjesa minn wara dari. Okay, kun ma kien ballu ma kien xejn. Mhux minn fejn ġie ma nafx fejn mar. Ma ballu kun ma kien. Ma kien xejn orribli. Naraw kien l-ewwel. Inti friendly, jew le? Jew għad attakkani. Nistgħux nafsu fuqu. Qattuż. X'għamel elek fuq il-mem? To look for candles. ċuħu bix-xemet, daqsek. Isma' xbejn. Okay, so skoprejt x'inhu l-problema, talabni l-keyboard. Għalfi għamma s-sirena tal-errejt. Thank you cats. Għaw xaħna. Nitratta tlet tfal. Frankament. Għanux minn huma. Sinsiru nafu żjed tard. Na Outlast vibe zero. Lighter or matches. Naf minn. Marija kolla sew. Kendra. I can light the candles now. Daniel David. Wally. Issa. I can spread out my sleeping bag. USB. Sleeping bag ma jħan għedwa. Jean-Pierre, Anthony, Tessie, Ruth, Samuel. Welcome to the stream. Night 1. ċans ta' għana ġan s-setja xi ħaġa ħara għax Sirret inkun naf x'inhuma dawn il-ħsejjes. X'ama tal-fejt. Lek x'għadhom bro. Ftaħom xekk il-bibiela, għax inkorru, għaw xaw. Senjura. Creepy, ħafna creepy ukoll. First aid box, naħseb ma niġu bżonna. Ħadd. Bro, ċawġu, għasek naf xnaf. Oh, xaħat. In 1958, towards the end of the summer, parents called the camp to find out if everything was alright with their children, but no one answered. When they arrived at the camp, they found no one, only abandoned things and a mess. All the locals helped them to search for the missing children, but all in vain. Naħseb jien nkun wieħed mill-missing children dal-waqt. Tajjeb xi ħadd tagħlaq l-bieb. Ska niftu wieħed minn dawn. Babushka. Raġan fetaħ il-bib. Hello. Kollu xaħat miħaj. Ġibت it-tifla miħaj. Xaħat serqet li kollax. You were hit on the head. Dula kollax miħaj. Especially عليك كويب يا ضلي استنبهنا جا كاميرا هنا أنا هون نفتخل بالباب مش موجود alright مش حاجة نقشة بروتالي والله ما نسويش مسكون لازم الكاميرا طيب أيوة هذا You're not welcome here. The one who hit me on the head took the candles. I have to figure out what's going on here. We have to try to turn on the lights in the entire building. نحسبوا here نبروفاو نفتحوا البيب ونتركوا xena xej pjaċevoli. Need to lock this room. The director of the pioneer camp Yunost, Maria Anatolievna, disappeared like the rest of the camp workers. Maria had previously taken care of children in an orphanage from 1944 to 1950. She was a caregiver who devoted herself only to work. Discipline was the most important to her, so the parents entrusted their children to her. Qed nixrob, il-bobba tiegħi Daniel, kif aħna ħabib tiegħi. Doesn't work, need to find the fuse. Thank you, Jway. I haven't finished looking around the room. I should have been out, Joe. Għalfejt jurini da ritratti għanek x'nambihom. Sek? Probabli t-nemmissja xie area ta' jew xi jumpscare fija. Hop. No. Need to take the box to the sleeping bag. طيب بس الفيوز أنا ما كانش بظنه. Provaw nixelu d-dawl. Importanti nixelu d-dawl. La, mux għanaw kien il-views. Ġibtaj. Ġibtaj ġoj. Ma rridu nsibu fejn hu dan il-fuse. Ma kellniex nagħmlu dal-views issa. See you. U għak stess kien. Thank you, Stella. Bully. Grazzi. Palissa mostly exploring, nipprova nara eżatt x'inhu l-objective li jmiss. Late at night, when people fall asleep, no need for fun and no need for a fool. And the bells are empty and the eyes are full of bitterness. The courtiers do not know what that fun means to the fool. The fool decides that enough is enough, and he that night, wearing a sad suit, poisons the court and the king. I'm sad at heart, but the plan is not a failure. The fool will no longer be fun for you. Fimċej, alright. Parti mill-logħba, parti mill-esperjenza. Neħdu pjaċir. Mhux hekk. Nibost nilagħbu, ma nibżawx. Ma maħniex tek. Ma tajjeb minn. It will be dark soon. Forsi we're asleep. Night number 2. Silvio. Kif aħna Silvio? Nara paġu l-stream. Ditlu xaħġa taħt. The clock stopped at 3:07. Let the fun begin, mux. Dizzjonarju ġibtu. Just in case kunna bżon nikkomunikaw. Min kien? Daniel tiċċajtalix. Daniel tiċċajtalix. Għara ġawna l-qolbibin. So, lix kemm l-bibin. Tawlex mal-bibina. Sabta radio. Lex waqt il-kwiet. Mtana għal-kwiet, meta għal-kwiet jien ninkwieta. Kelli raġun ninkwieta? Iva. Fejn morti? Aħna rajt? It's all right. يلا ما تقعدش تبزبع. taf. Iwa taf. Tajb, sparixxi dik il-karkassa. This box wasn't here before, what's on it? It's locked. Min jaf xem ġewwa. Bibi m'għandniex naftom. Tajjeb ukoll. Spare light bulbs in the box. ċe waħda ħanġibhom, m'għandekx bwiet fil-qalziet. No. Bully. شنو هالهوس؟ شو تعمل في البيت؟ What is this box? Enough. مش أتأثر. صاب الزايد صاب الزايد. سك الصاب. سك السطح بيتونا بالزايد. مشكلة. مدنيش بالزيت جامب سكيرز يوا تفضل كتار issa. طيب فضل ضل بحنان يجري. يلا ħanixxu tiegħek. Qed jieħu dan nifsijiet min.
It's okay, where is the oil?
uħorġuni minnu, please. Please, Mxkien. Għedħed il-kaxxa? Nafsek. Mxkien ta' uħorġuni minnu. Għax ħataq bizli, issa. Calm down, dear boy. Chavetta, via chavetta. With this key, I can open the box. from 1950 allowed scandal in an orphanage for orphans, the nurse cruelly mocked the residents. One of the employees reported violations of authority. A decision is made to close the institution. We remind you that the shelter was open since 1944. Children who were left without parents during the war lived there. Msieka, povri disgrazzjati tkun ta' biex iħallok ma' dan nies. Biżżejjed. Sommor niftu dak il-kaxxa, please. Dear Diary, today is the annual opening day of my camp. I have been preparing for this for 3 years, so that this summer will be special for me. During these days, I will bring up real people in them, but they will also help. Tell a chance, man. Night of 58. After a severe thunderstorm, there is no light in the building. Morna lura fi żmien. Lura fi żmien meta l-post kien għadu sewwa. Min kien li waqqa xi ħaġa. Anna, we need to run. It's all because of the director. I was spying on her. She was talking to someone about something bad. You have to believe me, warn everyone. We don't have much time until I hid her key in the closet. We can make it. Help me. What an asshole. The key to the safe. The safe fitna. Għalli xed indur bil-mod, ma drajtux li s-sissa ma t-nix nafdom iktar daw it-tib tal-ob. You filthy child. Yakov Parasit stole the second gas cylinder. I need to spray sleeping gas so that all the children can be transferred to the hospital for surgery and then returned back. Ala. A special boy, Yakov, came to the camp. He has no parents or relatives and he became my favorite because he is so similar to my son Ivan. I really want to see him. Yakov is a good boy, although he does not speak, but he understands everything and does everything I ask. In the afternoon, I had to meet with Alexei Sergeyevich at the shelter where we used to work. He ordered us to fulfill our agreement tonight. This day has come. Yakov will help me with this. Before going to bed, children always invent horror stories when the counselors put them to bed. This can distract them. Interessanti. Ġifieri għandhom bżonn insibu ċilindru tal-gassi. Kristjan u Gianni kif aħna kollha sew. Merħba ġol is-stream. Need to put the gas cylinder under the door and go back to the classroom. Seamus. There is someone behind it. You were told to get out of here. Leave this place alone. Okay. There are empty pages left in Maria's diary. You can use them to answer. Yeah, I'm standing outside the door. Okay, أنا دايري فكرة الدايري شو مكان. Thank you, Stella. I know what happened here. Let me help you. Tell me, who are you? ده Hello, telephone. Has chans tirrispondi da. Has chans. Try writing the letter again. Jekk naqbad wieħed minn dawk il-pupi f'idejja. Ekk ara s-softu, jekk ara. Ekk. Ekk. Ostja. I read that people were killed here. Did you do that? Tell me, and then I can help you. Tajb, għajdinna l-istorja ġbi. Għalli nkun nista' ngħid bik Mondis. I was accused, but I didn't do it. Get out of here. Għax naħlu dal-qolab, ġifiri, xejri, d-damin għamma. Mux taqbru għak tajna l-laq. Bib. Sawx naħħan, sawx niftuħ il-bib. Zjar Mim Yakov, everyone living here alone for many years. Nistan kon nafx qed iwaqqgħu jew. Yes, here I can communicate with my friends. We guard this place because it is our home. A lot of people came here just to break our things, but my friends help me drive away strangers. I'm afraid that someone will see me and tell me that I live here and chose people, and those people will come for me. Fena kada dejjaqni. Who are your friends? Why are they here? Why are they here too? Għala ma nistax naħrab. Nitfixkel fl-Ingliż. ċajna messaġġiera wkoll. The spirits of this place, those who were tortured here, they remain locked up here. That day, in the evening of their nights out, someone came. Probably it was the person with whom the director spoke. He didn't find me. I think that because of this, he poisoned all the residents and the director. Interessant. Point nixtaq nitlaq. Well, this was planned by the director of the camp. What are you talking about? What kind of person was she talking to? Itnini. Hello. Xidwejja. Xidwejja. It's all here. I saw our director. Bro, please. I saw our director talking to someone in an old hospital near the camp. They agreed that they would do their work at night. Then I realized that it was connected with us, but I couldn't warn everyone. I didn't see who else was there because I was scared and hid. In the morning, I went into the building and found no one. Her safe was also not there. I thought that the man and his assistants had taken everyone away and hidden the bodies in that building. I had to stay here and live in the ventilation, only sometimes go to the rooms. Famissa għadda nqasmin, jidri ma nagħmlux li ħajġi xi ħadd ieħor hawn. Niktiblu nota. The building abandoned. Can I get there? Tajtle. Nistennew. Silvio. Yakov doesn't answer anymore. It's time to go to the abandoned hospital. Need to tear the boards of the front door. Għasent bassa, titmur ximkien ieħor, jolli dejjaqt in-nies tawwek. L-isptar. L-ar postijiet meta jsiru abbandonati. Night 3. Vincent, Lantini, Lippo, Jamie. Nispera li aħna tfajni għalek ix-xema, ma tfix xi ħadd ieħor, u vedi. We need to find proof. Għala men, għala tisib il-proof. Għaliex x'interessak? X'interessak x'hawnx m'hawnx? Jidħollok u x'joħroġlok ħabel Malti. Mhux hekk nibqgħu. Ma kollha msakrin, mhux proof ta' sommu dem. Stephen. Ġili lab ta' Outlast. Sfortunatament iva lab ta' Outlast l-ewwel waħda. U ngħid sfortunatament għax sfortunatament. Kelli l-isventura nilagħba qabel l-streaming days tiegħi. Nsibu xi ħaġa biex nifqgħu. Catcher. Waqt issemmi Outlast. Xtrajt Outlast Trials milux. U xtieq. Bidlet il-kamra. 1946, after the war, dozens of children end up in shelters after losing their parents. An orphanage for the maintenance and upbringing of orphans. Worked under the leadership of the military. Yeah. Jekk jogħġbok daw it-tip ta' l-OPEX sa tagħmel subscribe, napprezza dak tagħmel follow. Hello. Hello. Okay. Użax. Store list to another corridor. I have an angle grinder with me in my backpack. I can cut all the chains and find that grinder miak. The doctor of the orphanage was detained for illegal organ trafficking for 6 years. He fraudulently made incorrect diagnosis and performed operations to remove the kidney. The director did not know about this, but he could not continue to read his position. The orphanage was closed, the building became abandoned. Outlast Trials ma tħajjarniex daqshekk imma l-one tal-ġen. Il-one lab tiegħna. Thank you tal-follow. Il-one lab tajna tal-isptar biex niftehmu. It-tu insejt fejda bbażata fuq xi plantation. Jista' jkun fuq xi plantation. jkun hemm xi tip ta' setta. Ma li xekkajt. Grazzi l-istudina. This place won't let me go. I have to finish what I started. Paskaċċa. Tawa men. Tawa kif għajjajduni. Kien bil-baby għod bil-grinder bil-grinder biex nqattaw f'min jiġi qoddimna. I don't know if I'll make it to the morning, because today's shift is bothering me. I want to run away from here, but then I won't get paid. Le, taħdem volontarjat lej. Botaw. I hear voices, as if I'm not alone. I thought I saw a woman, more like her silhouette or shadow. She went into the closet. I'm afraid to follow her and move the closet. I don't want to check if it's true. Or maybe it's just my imagination, which has sharpened after a glass of vodka. Jien għandu bżonn tazza vodka tal-waqt. On the cabinet weigh some products made of feathers and cobwebs. I have never seen them anywhere. They look terrible and it smells of dead things from there. Okay, I'll have another glass and go to bed. Suġu villaġġ speċi u taqleb bejħol ma' realtà u tlastittu. Interessanti. X'qed jixalu jintefa'. Dark closet. I know what I'm doing is wrong, but I have no choice. I have to save my son Ivan. Grazzi. I was lucky that Alexei Sergeyevich agreed to help. I mustn't let him down. No one should know about our affairs. Mux problema, kontenta inti, kontent kulħadd. X'għandna tajjeb għandna xi ġilat. ġattilkom il-mawħat. Issa, t-nefsu l-biet, il-grinder, waħdek bil-grinder minna mwaraj. The battery of the angle grinder has run out. Yes, x'kombinazzjoni. Takkja, xaħat bil-bib. من دعوتات هي strumenti nafdom il-bibin. ġa xi oħra minn ġo xi bib. Tkun qed tistennini. I didn't have time to save him. I don't believe it. This can't be happening. This is not my Vanichka. I'll save him. I need to find the donor urgently. طيب manka biex tagħti daqqa xi ħadd bija. Ħallhom likwid. Sejja taħħal likwid u nitlaq. Sekk. Fetaħ bibi, issa. Saħjar. Naħseb aħjar nintafa' nilgħab Fortnite flok dal-lob. Naraw xi wara dal-bib issa u xi sorpriż oħra. Kamra tat-tiżu. Mhux ix-xogħol. Kieku lajt monita għal kull jumpscare li lajt ġo fiha din il-logħba. Issa qasam ġal fejn ġiet imsakkar fil-loki. A year later, after the events in 1950, the building was reclassified as a hospital, but with budget cuts. It stopped working again. Daqshekk issa. Enough. No more. Ma kienx hawn ħajt. Il-ġurnata saħtu issa żin. Ngħidli stilla, ejja minn hemm. Għalli, ma nistax naraw għax inkella naqlaw ben fuq tiktok. How had her body decomposed after all these years? Għalek nistaw naraw biex ta' ċabdi diħla ben. Let the one who finds me feel the pain of a mother who has lost her child. I curse everyone who couldn't help me, and I'm not just going to leave, I'll be back. Isma, jina m'għandix naqsam. U telqet minna u kull. Tawxin, ma taf skin jittirjam taf t-tfal. Here are the documents from 1958. Alexei Sergeyevich, about whom Maria spoke, replied to her that he would no longer participate in this and refused to work with her. Then what was the case in question and who was she talking to? When Yakov saw her. There's something else. The death certificate document. This is her son, Ivan. He died in the fall of 1950. Apparently she couldn't stand it and went crazy. She wanted to save him so badly that she lost touch with reality. Poor woman. That certificate. Who got it? I am so sorry. شربت ماي مش نخرج منها. خرجوني من جدران البوست. والباسكت جميل الساتشل طلعنا. 3 weeks later. جينا Hello, Yakov. You no longer need to be afraid that you will be found and accused of something that you did not do. I've taken care of everything. I didn't tell anyone that you live here with your friends. Protect this place further. Now it's rightfully only your home. Your friend, Alex Martin. Xena spiċċaw għadej. I'm glad that this investigation turned out to be so interesting and unique. I managed to solve the mystery of 58 and help Yakov find peace and freedom. You can read about this in my blog, but we need to move on. I'm going to another place with a terrible history, where witches used to live, and there I will have an unusual case. I will tell you about it later. Mufajtid basta ma tibgħax li